In modern life, sleep is treated as rest. In the Vedic age, sleep was treated as medicine. Ancient rishis believed the body does not heal when you are awake. It heals when awareness withdraws. Tonight, let's understand sleep not as unconsciousness, but as a healing intelligence. Vedic texts never described sleep as doing nothing. They called it Nidra, a force that restores balance. When the mind releases control, prana returns inward. Organs repair, emotions settle, memory reorganizes. Sleep was considered a daily rebirth. According to Ayurveda, healing happens when Vata becomes still. And Vata becomes still only during deep sleep. This is why ancient routines focused on early dinner, minimal stimulation, silence before sleep. They weren't rituals. They were biological intelligence. Modern sleep is disturbed by light, noise, constant mental engagement. Vedic sleep was protected. No screens, no overthinking, no excess stimulation. Sleep was considered a sacred state, not something to collapse into. Vedic sages spoke of 3 effects of good sleep. First, physical repair. Second, emotional digestion. Third, clarity of consciousness. That's why people who sleep deeply feel lighter, calmer, clearer. Before sleep, the instruction was simple. Slow the breath. Withdraw attention. Let the body feel safe. Healing does not need effort. It needs permission. Tonight, don't try to sleep. Allow sleep to happen. In the next video, we'll explore yogic Nidra, the conscious sleep that heals even deeper.